Hey, first grade. So sorry I've been sending a video. Just this chapter is just kind of difficult. So I kind of like to go through and just show you what we've done that day, just to see how I word it. So the homework tonight is just more renaming. So you're going to notice that the top two problems, okay, are what we did yesterday. Okay, so again, just to review it, on number 1 on the homework, how many 10 sticks do we have? 1. Okay, and then we count the total ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. Okay, hope you can see that okay. Then, sorry about that. Okay, so after we've just looked at the picture, we have 1 10 stick, we have 13 ones. So now we need to group up 10 ones, rename 10 ones into a 10 stick. So we're going to count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we circle it the best we can. Okay, I've circled 10 ones. Okay, some of them like to show the arrow. They don't have to. They bring the 10 ones over and that to a 10 stick. They've just turned 10 ones and grouped them into a 10 stick. Okay, so after we've done that, we're going to, where it says here, rename. We've just renamed. That's what we did up here. So now, how many 10s do we have? We have 2 10s. Okay, and again, the ones that are left. So today I showed the class a little trick. If we look in this number, the digit that's in the ones place is always going to be how many ones are left over. Okay, I was trying to get them to see that, like in the number 13, the 1 10 stick is what we brought over here. We grouped and brought over. And we still have our 1, 2, 3 left out, which is the digit in the ones place. So we have 3 left. So 2 10s is 10, 20. So that's 20 plus, we just bring down our 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, so all that is similar to what we did yesterday, but I wanted to show you the bottom because today I showed the kids what it means when we carry. And again, just remember, this is not a skill that they necessarily will be mastering in this chapter. We will go over this again and be more in depth in chapter 21. Okay, so on the bottom, okay, I'm actually going to show you somebody's paper from today. Okay, so on the bottom, we're going to complete the addition problem, and then we're going to come over and do the renaming. I told them to come and do this problem first, and then we can go over and rename if we need to. Okay, so when you get to the bottom part today in homework, again, homework, okay, is real similar to what we did today. All right, so let me show you on the homework sheet. All right, so we have 14 plus 8. The first thing that they want to do is circle the ones because we always add the ones first, okay? And since we know that we're adding the ones, okay, we add 4 plus 8 or 8 plus 4. We can also, though, I told them, come over and just count and see. This is our total ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I always tell them, uh-oh, you have, and they can put a 12 here if it helps them see it. Okay, 12 is a 2-digit number. We can't put 2 digits in one place value. So the 2 stays downstairs and we carry the 1 10 stick, okay? Which is, again, essentially what we've been doing up here. Okay, now we're just carrying. So again, 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. Since 12 is a 2-digit number, I can't put both digits down here in this one little place value. So the 2 stays in the ones and I carry my 10 stick. That's still the answer, 12. Next, I add my 10s. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so my answer is 22. But I told them after they do that, they still need to go over and rename or regroup if they had to carry. So after they solve this problem, come back to the group, and they're just going to do exactly what we did up here. Count out 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to group up my 10 ones. Okay. Bring those over, the 10 ones. Turn them into a 10 stick. Okay. And that's all they want you to show on the bottom. Okay. We don't have to go into all this. Remember, I told you this is what we did to start, but that we wouldn't keep it going this way. So now we're coming and showing it this way until we eventually get to where they just get down to the vertical addition carrying, okay, without the picture. So then they have to answer, did you rename? Well, if we had to carry, which we did, we carried a 10 stick and we had to regroup 10 ones. So yes, the answer is yes, we did rename. Okay. So again, don't fret, you know, if they're having difficulty with this, it is tricky. And we just kind of like, just barely skim over it a little bit in this chapter. Okay, but hopefully this video kind of helps you see the process. Okay, they do this problem first, and then if they didn't have to come and rename, so if they did not have to carry, then they're going to answer no, they didn't rename. On the back of homework, simple, they're just going to basically add the ones, add the tens, and they just have it in coins here just to show them, okay? But they don't have to do anything with the coins. It's just showing you they're adding 33 cents to 5 cents. And then on the bottom, complete the addition problem. Again, the bottom right here, okay, is the same as the bottom on the front. The only difference is they don't ask you the question, did you rename? Okay, so I'll show you again. On the back tonight for homework, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay, have them solve the problem first, adding the ones. Okay, you'll have to really show them how if it's a 2-digit number, the ones place stays down and we carry the 10. And then when we get done finding our answer here, we come over, we count out ones, make it a 10 stick if needed. Okay, so it's just like the front. I hope that helps. Again, we have a test over this chapter on Friday. Okay, but don't worry about the carrying. Okay, we're not going to have to do any of this stuff on the test, but I do want them to kind of be a little bit familiar with it so that when we really jump into it in chapter 21, it's a little easier to understand. Hope that you're having a wonderful week, and tomorrow is the 100th day of school, so I can't wait. I'll take lots of pictures. Have a great day.